Today I've got something fun to share with you. This is a video from a recent shopping trip that I made to Kmart. Now I've mentioned in the past that I go to Kmart to look for Lego deals and just to find older stuff, because the way Kmart works is they are really behind the times. They're outdated on their inventory system, and a lot of times you can go there and just look around randomly on the shelves, and maybe up at the top in the back you'll find a set that's a year or two old. Well, it happens to be this time that I went, they had a whole section of just discontinued Lego sets, and I thought it'd be fun to make a video here sharing those with you, just because it's not common that you go into like a Walmart and you find anything that's more than 6 months old. They clearance that stuff out, they get rid of it, and it's gone. You're not going to find it again. Well, here at this particular Kmart, I don't know if they're all this way, but this one had a bunch of discontinued stuff sitting there. Nothing at crazy good prices, like there weren't any deals there. A lot of it was just MSRP prices, but anytime you're looking for Lego stuff, when it gets retired, it's hard to find, and it was really awesome to come across this, so I thought I'd share it with you here. So without further ado, here are some discontinued Lego sets that are on sale at Kmart. So there you go, hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know if you saw anything on those shelves that's worth big money, because I will definitely be mad at myself for passing up on it. And also, if you're interested in any Lego deals, check out the description below. I have my website, it's called brickitect.com. I post all of the best Lego deals that are on Amazon on a daily basis, so bookmark that site. You might find some more Lego deals, probably nothing discontinued, but we have some good prices on there. So thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.